Downtime and unexpected forklift maintenance costs can do serious damage to your productivity and your bottom line. Successful operations understand that proper preventative maintenance and proactive repairs can save time and money in the long run. WEC USA is your partner in forklift maintenance. We ensure that your PMs are done right and on schedule with our PM Central program. The PMC is a dedicated team of highly trained, highly efficient PM technicians. Our PM specialists receive extensive on-the-job training through WEC University that make them uniquely qualified to analyze and prevent potential problems with unprecedented accuracy and speed. These expert PM technicians can also identify forklift components that need replacement or that are on the verge of failure, proactively identifying repairs before they result in equipment failure, and quickly providing quotes for those repairs is critical to optimizing uptime and containing costs. The WEC PMC enables us to better serve the needs of our customers and drive down their expenses. But don't just take our word for it. By having WEC handle my PMs, I feel confident that my equipment will be operational when I need it. I can't afford the time lost or the money wasted when units fail. I choose WEC as my preventative maintenance provider because I trust that they are going to keep me up and running. Call today to learn how WEC's PM Central program can simplify your material handling operation, reduce downtime, and help to control costs.